Sadarpat Road, commonly known as SP Road or Spare Parts Road, is an attraction for Bangalore middle-class people. It is located at the juncture of KR Market and Corporation Circle. Another landmark of this road can be the Town Hall, which stands near it. SP Road is one of the most crowded streets that sell electronic goods and spare parts. There are at least 2,000 shops in this locality. If you want to have a glimpse of traditional marketplace, then SP Road is the perfect place. You can easily see customers haggling with the shopkeepers for more reduction in prices. Nothing over here seemed to change when talking about infrastructure. Shops over here are decades old and generations of a family manage a particular shop. They are taught the tools of the trade for the business to survive. Posters can be seen placed in areas that will grab the attention of the passers-by. Ashish Ranjan is a shop owner of Cyber Bazaar that is located in SP Road. Every day his shop opens at 10:30 am and closes by 8 at night.
This was primarily in residential area and it became commercial after 1985. So basically there were very few shops, very few electronic shops that time. And slowly as IT began to grow and the market began to grow gradually. And after 1995 it became a very big market. As you are saying, the market is slow. At present we get about 30 to 40 retail customers who come to the shop. Maybe they may not buy, but then they come and inquire. Before 5 years before, there were many customers there. More than 100 visitors were there. Now it is little slow, and there are more shops also, so the business has also come down. This shop in SP Road we have opened in 2000. Per month, like turnover wise, we are doing about 20 to 25 lakhs turnover monthly. See, Monday to Friday, as it is a weekday, generally home customers, they generally visit here. On Saturdays and Sundays, there are huge customers coming from IT. We sell basically all types of computer hardware, peripherals, laptop accessories, desktop related accessories, then sometimes tablets also, iPads, basically everything related to electronics. On an average, like I can give you desktops, we sell about 30 to 40 desktops still, laptops about 10 to 20, and other accessories I can tell you, but there are many items. So traffic is very congested as the roads are very small and there is no proper traffic system here, no parking system. You can park anywhere, police will come, pick your vehicle, you pay a fine, and that's how it goes actually. So generally there is no parking system over here. For no parking they have charged 300 rupees with towing charge.
Like other shop owners, as his shop opens, he gets his shop cleaned within minutes, and after the daily puja, starts his work in the shop. The very first thing that he does, he checks his emails to see if there are new requests for any items that have been made by the customers. After this, he checks his wall calendar to see the same. Any delivery that needs to be made is done in the morning. After this, paperwork that is required to be completed is done by him. Being a shop owner or a shopkeeper is a difficult role. The shop owner needs to be patient and be customer friendly to attract people to their shop. Ashish Ranjan shares a very good reputation with the shopkeepers around him. Within minutes, customers of different professions can be seen walking into his shop to buy what they demand. Ashish is quite an organized person. After giving his product, he makes sure that the customer receives the bill and the money transaction takes place perfectly. While he does all this, he converses with the customer and asks about his well-being. In the mornings, the crowd in SP Road is lesser, while most of the customers are seen in the afternoons. To keep himself engaged when there are no customers, he watches cricket and does Facebook to pass his time. In the evenings again, he has many customers, so he carries out his work then. After 7 in the evening, he instructs the shopkeepers to start the process of closing the shop for the day. During this 1 hour, all the accounting will be done, money will be calculated, and products will be rearranged in the manner they are supposed to be. If he wants to invite his friends of the market, he will sit and chat with them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Consequently, a small puja will be done again by him. Finally, at 8 p.m., he will put the shutters of his shop down, thereby marking the end of the day and the end of his business for that particular day.